praying like that. So omunye umuntu maybe would ask a question, how is it different? Is it different because amagama esilungu makumele ngibiza amagama omuntu omnyama who looks like me, it now starts to be, a difficulty. Abantu abamnyama vele, it's easy for abantu abamnyama to follow things that look white instead of following things that look black. I'm just saying the argument that is out there. From Abraham to Shadrach to now.
But David.
David was never, followed in terms of masses. Abamlandela. I'm speaking about abantu bebalandela. Abantu bebathunywe uNkulunkulu. Abraham had a nation.
Yes.
Jacob had a nation. Moses had a nation. So I'm speaking. It's that, and then since we're here in 2025, now it's these ones. Abakona. ZCC, they call their own. St. John's, not St. John's per se, but Apostol, Aletlep. I know they call Abo Mamfukeng, Abase Soweto, Jablane, they call them Kulunguluga Mamfukeng. I know they do that. Abo Maltawana. It's that assumption. Unkulunkulu was bringing us closer to him through these people.
Yes, I agree.
Understand?
Yes, I understand. Manje isho kahle ukuthi for uNkulunkulu, I think he knew ukuthi for us to believe ukuthi bekakhona esikhathini sabo Moses, he needs to make igama laka Moses libonakale libe khona, uyazwisisa? And we should not twist the word of God ukuthi isijabulise thina and thinking ukuthi if we are praying to uNkulunkulu womuntu omnyama, that makes it different, or uNkulunkulu uzwa imthandazo yakho kangconywana. No. I-Old Testament ibekhona. Even in the Old Testament, if we funda kahle, Jesus Christ was there. Just because of he was not mentioned, it does not mean ukuthi he does not exist. It's just ukuthi manje umveza kahle kubani ku New Testament.
So ngamanye amagama wena uthi, in other words, when revelation yaga Jesu happened, all of this mess should have stopped.
Yes.
Ngamanye amagama, that's what you are saying.
It's what I'm saying.
But revelation yaga Christ, and I'm not defending you guys. I'm not. We're having a discussion here. I'm not defending you. We're discussing, we're interpreting the Bible. And that's what we're interpreting here. So, Mauti, it should have ended with Christ, ne?
Yes.
By Jesus Christ being born in 25 Zaga December, let's say Bethlehem, and growing up, having apostles work, disciples, and then it should have stopped. But still, abantu never repented as uNkulunkulu would have anticipated. I'm picking because from Noah, Noah, all of that happened because abantu were failing to listen to God. And then lababa sinda should be abantu abalalela uNkulunkulu in the sheep. But still, when they multiplied through reproduction, they still messed up. And up until uNkulunkulu had other people abaloke ba sondeza abantu into him. Still Christ happened. And abantu never repented as much as uNkulunkulu wanted. You see, abantu, they are killing each other even now.
Yes.
Abantu, they are raping each other. Abantu, they are doing all sorts of things. South Africa is in a mess. You can't say still uNkulunkulu wouldn't appoint umuntu who looked like, I don't know, Abraham to fetch izimvu lezeyidukile or to baptize abantu izimvu.
Mina, I'm saying ukuthi asikhulumela based in Jesus Christ or in Christianity. What I'm simply meaning ukuthi Putbexisa, we should not normal namasonto lanka akhona. They are there. Remember ukuthi they are there. Some of them umunye umuntu ufike laphana maybe angaboni or ahluphekile or ayini. It's fine. And I'm not criticizing whatever that they're doing. Mina, my point is that why do you pray and mentioning umuntu ombona ngamehlo? Like you cannot say Mudimo Barnabas Hence, you are reading the word, and the word does not say Mudimo wa Barnabas. Phela uNkulunkulu uthi, I'm the jealous God. I'm the only God. So why do you make God with another God? On top of that, you are even worshipping ancestors. Kahle kahle wena ume kuphi? You are worshipping ancestors. You are mentioning a God that you see ngamehlo wakho. Hence uNkulunkulu uthe yena
Unesikhwele.
uNkulunkulu onesikhwele. And when you believe in him, remember ukuthi sometimes people are lacking something. You can use umuthi wokuthi whether umuthi wesintu or umuthi waka doctor. If uyuza uthembile ukuthi uzophola, uzophola. As asho nasezweni lakhe ukuthi your little faith, if faith elikana ngelisuba nali, you can move this mountain. He just wants you to believe in him and tell him. And uyasho ukuthi ngomlomo yethu siyaphila, ngomlomo wethu ukhuluma ukufa. So why do we have to have something that oyibambayo ngesandla just to see ukuthi this is God? That is why uSatan azodlala ngathi, azoyenza ukuthi kube nabo Shembe that you see and you think ukuthi no, Shembe is God, Barnabas is God, lanka amanye amasonto they are God. It's not like that. Yeah, now what he tried while he's talking about Abraham, he was just trying to show us ukuthi those people, they used to exist, and I used to do 1 and 2 and 3 kubo. So now manje ngikholwe and do that. Remember ukuthi abo Abraham, something that God loved about them is the way bebamthemba ngakhona.